Hello again, it's Noob, and here is a vintage Lockwood 234. Now, that is what the common consensus of what this lock is. If anybody knows any different, please do let me know. I think the 234's gone through a number of redesigns over the years. I think it's had loads of different sort of small changes, but the vintage 234 45mm brass padlocks are somewhat renowned for being operational in the Australian outback for many years without need of service. Nice, relatively thick hardened steel shackle, and more importantly tapered driver pins and key pins, which means that this both oversets and undersets very easily. Now, I did a video where I raked one of these a number of years ago, and the reason I did a raking video is because I've had such poor success in picking these. I'm aware that some are easier than others, depending on the bitting, depending on the age, and especially depending on the sort of general wear and condition of these. But nevertheless, I'm actually going to try an SPP of this. Some people think they're really simple. I find them to be a bit of like my kryptonite, but you know, we'll figure it out. Let's go grab a vise and stick a pick in it and see what we can get done. So I'm firmly in the vise. And let's have a look at the bitting here. It's an odd bitting. It's somewhat linear at an angle from high to low. The exception being sort of pin 2, which is a little bit higher than you'd expect in a true sort of linear bitting. But otherwise, not too many ups and downs. Works very smoothly. This was sent to me by Iona from Australia on Discord, so thank you. And where's my tension tool? I'm going to use a 1.3mm tension tool, which fits in very snugly at the top of the keyway. And this 23 thousandths of an inch hook made for me by Daz Evers, who isn't making videos at the moment. I hope that he does soon. So pin 3, little click, nothing on 2, 1, go back, nothing on 5, 4, little click, 3 there, 2, tiny movement when I hit 2, nothing on 5, 4, 3, 2, let's try 1, little click, back through, 3 now again, 2, so multiple clicks usually indicate these tapers just finding their way. So this is pin 2 now, it's quite high, I think. Go back through, 5's now binding, I think I've got that. 2's now binding back again, and we have an open. There we go. So multiple clicks out to multiple pins where you pick one of the tapers and they don't quite fully set because the taper sort of drops back down into the keyway, so you need to re-pick it. This one behaved quite well, I have to admit. This isn't by any way the hardest one of these I've picked. Like I said, I normally find these very difficult. This one's a good one. Aided maybe by the bitting itself. It wasn't hard to navigate. It wasn't like really low, then really high, then really low, really high or anything. So I could just concentrate on feeling the set state of the pins rather than worrying about the navigation in the keyway, so to speak. So yeah, pretty good. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock, I'd really like to know what you think to picking these old vintage Lockwoods. Do you think they're easy? Do you think they're hard? Are they, like, to you really simple, or like me, are they your kryptonite? Please let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.